Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans did close higher on Tuesday, supported by forecasts for more dry weather in Argentina over the next several days, but contracts closed below the session highs, mainly following soybean meal during the session, which also closed below its highs. At this point, we do know that some damage has been done to Argentina's soybeans, at least vis-a-vis the production numbers from earlier in the season, but we won't know how much damage has actually been done until the crop is fully harvested. As for Brazil, harvest remains slower than normal as of last week, but it is expected to pick up steam in some key growing areas. Corn closed lower on profit taking and a lack of follow-through buying after an early run to new 4-month highs in the March contract. And wheat was down. Chicago, Kansas City, and Minneapolis all have weather concerns, but any bullish news tend to run its course pretty quickly for wheat. Live and feeder cattle were mixed, with box beef sharply higher at midday and traders watching the distribution of this week's new show list. The new show list looks mixed as well, larger in some areas, smaller in others, maybe a little bit smaller overall than last week. Fed cattle exchange results are due out on Wednesday with another very small offering. And hogs closed higher on oversold signals and the sharply higher midday move in pork. Cash business, though, was steady to lower during the session. Buyers continue to want to improve their margins and spend less money. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.